Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is February 9, Sunday. So happy Sunday to everybody. Right now it's roughly afternoon, around 3 o'clock. I actually just got back from Harbor Freight. I just came back from Harbor Freight. So this is going to be another unboxing video. I want to show you guys what it looked like. If you guys are looking for a wrench, a ATV wrench. So I just got back from Harbor Freight. This is a Badland ZXR 2500. So it's mostly for ATV and utility wrench with automatic low holding brake. So anyway, show you guys the front. It came with the 2 remote control, obviously, as shown. I don't know if it come with this this bracket right here in the front. So anyway, show you the side view. Maybe you guys could see the parts number. Oops. So same thing. Alright, so this is the unit, the part number. Obviously I live in Haywood, so I got it in Haywood, Harbor Freight area. Let's flip around towards the back, maybe. Which way? I don't know if it shows anything in the back. Nope, nothing. So maybe, oh shoot, I gotta use my feet to block it. Yeah, anyway, 2,500 pounds. Kind of give you guys some general idea. IP65, protect against water and dust. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's open it. Oh, it's also come with this thing right here, so it's pretty cool. But like I said, I hope it come with a bracket. I did not get the mount for the wrench. Okay guys, so I just opened it. Badland ZXR 2500 from Harbor Freight. You got yourselves an instruction manual. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it on the side. Yeah, this brown box right here. I'm assuming. Oh, hold on, guys. I need extra hands. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, guys. So I took the brown box out, and this is the wrench, I believe. Let's open the cover. Voila! Look at the unit. Pretty nice. You got the chain in it as well. You got the chain loop in it. And then let's open the brown box. Actually, let's see what we got in this one. So okay guys, so I opened the brown box. You got this this Badland lantern with everything you got right here. Put on the side. You got the first remote. Yeah, first remote button. Okay, it does not have a good feel to it. I could tell it's cheap, pretty bad assemble. So yeah, it's most likely if you drop it on the floor, it'll probably break apart, most likely. It doesn't feel really good. Does it have a on, oh, out and in? So it has an out and in on it. Anyway, so that's one. And you probably could open that. So it's probably easy to repair. If it ever stopped working, you probably could open this and see what's going on. Maybe you could solder it. So what's this side? Okay, so this is one of the unit where I assume you gotta wire this to the ATV. What's all this? Okay, yeah, so that's all the cable. Probably one to the power and one to the battery. You got the wireless remote right there. That is Tetron. Oh yeah, this is actually a lot better. I like this one. Off and on, extend and retract. Yeah, so this one's actually a lot better than the other one. What's underneath? What we got here? Okay, so we got the hook. Pretty good, strong. Got anything else? Oh yeah, and this one. I don't need this actually. I don't really need it. But anyway, put all that stuff back in. So this is actually not what I worry the most. What I worry the most, excuse me, is the wrench itself. I need to find ways to mount this to the ATV. So that's the main issue that I'm more worried about, guys. Let's take this out. Ooh, oh damn, it's kind of heavy. It's like 20 pounds, maybe less. I don't know. 20. Slowly drop it. Yeah, so that's that. Let's open this up. Sorry guys, there's no way, not an easy way. I got, hold on. Alright, so show you guys, you got the power, assuming this is negative and positive to your battery. Yeah, so there's no screws on top anyway I could see from the side. So this is the back side. Yeah, so that's, I got two opening right here, plated. Let me see the side right here. Okay, it doesn't look like I could use this one because this plate is mounted to the head unit, so I don't think I could unscrew this. And these two, what's these two? Oh, these two is nothing, so I could use these two for something because it's filling from underneath. It doesn't look like it has anything. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could see it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Doesn't look like it. Maybe I could use it. So I just need to find ways to mount this. You know what? Let me show you guys what I'm working on. Alright guys. So excuse me. So you see the front right there? So I was hoping that it'll go through the opening right there. Or maybe I could throw it on the top. What you guys think? Here, let me see if I could put this camera down like this, so you guys could see better. Yeah, how's that? Alright guys. So yeah, shoot, I gotta get in there. So I don't know if this will fit inside. Okay, it's fitting. No, definitely not going all the way in. So plan B, this out, is to drop it on the top. So what I could do is I could leave this on the top right there, sitting on top. And I just need to find ways to mount this. Let me see, I got a hole underneath. I could get a U-bolt, I guess. Let me go around. Okay, let me see. Can I do this? Sitting on top. I'm just trying to find the best way to mount this, guys. Yeah, I just gotta go with it. Let me see, the bolt underneath is not a lot of room. There's only 2 bolts. So like that. I'm trying to see. I guess I could switch the plate to the front. No, that's not going to work. So yeah, it has to be something like this, or sitting like that. Yeah, something like that. Maybe like this. I don't know. I gotta think about this. Yeah, so I gotta think about what's the best way to do it. So if you guys know anything, leave a comment. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna end the video right here, and I'm gonna play around with this. And then I don't know if I want to weld this on the units. Probably not. That's definitely not something that I wanted. But I'll find a way to get this mounted. Alright guys, thanks.